All right, we're back now, 8:11, with what might be a new frontier in the battle of the bulge, the connection between your diet and your genes, but not the ones you wear.
Right. As researchers discover more about the human genome, they're also learning about how DNA and other biological markers may be able to help you determine the best foods for your body. Here again, NBC's Jolene Kent.
These days, you can personalize anything. Clothes crafted to your cut and color, a ride whenever and wherever you want it, and now the food we eat based on your DNA.
Throughout generations, our DNA is already known. And today, one company takes human history into the 21st century.
The science is also called nutrigenomics, and it's part of a market that's expected to generate $600 billion globally by 2020. Consumers are shelling out for cheek swabs and saliva tests, hoping to unlock the secrets of their genetic code.
We're all potentially susceptible to certain physical ailments based on variations in our genes passed down from our parents. These genetic variations are called SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms. We aren't able to eliminate SNPs from our DNA, but we can do something about them. We can take action to optimize our physical health. It begins with a simple DNA test. Swab the inside of your cheek and mail your sample to Euphoria's state-of-the-art laboratory partner for analysis. Strict HIPAA guidelines are always followed, so your information remains confidential and secure. Based on your DNA results, a one-of-a-kind nutritional formula is created just for you. This is your very own Nutrition, designed from peer-reviewed plant-based ingredients plus vitamins and minerals. With so many high-quality ingredients and so many of us, every formula is truly unique. Each custom formula is one out of nearly 400 million possible combinations. And while your nutrition is being customized, you can immediately begin to make your health a habit. Every Euphoria starter kit not only comes with a DNA test, it also includes a Pretrition formula. This is a mild and gentle cleanse. It also supports the body's preparation for the optimal Euphoria experience. The Pretrition formula contains a robust combination of quality active ingredients, including AC11, frankincense, and astaxanthin. Pretrition gives your body a fresh start. You'll be prepared when your customized nutrition arrives, which takes approximately 2 to 4 weeks, delivered right to your door. You'll receive a 30-day supply of your customized formula, along with a detailed action plan that explains what you need to know about your SNPs. Staying on track to meet your nutritional needs for the rest of your life has never been easier. You can receive your customized designer nutrition delivered to your door every month, all for less than the cost of buying the nutritional ingredients separately. Finally, everyone's unique biology meets one-of-a-kind technology. Your DNA is talking, and Euphoria gives your body a voice.
More on this, NBC News medical contributor, Dr. Natalie Azar. Natalie, good to see you.
Hi.
So it's genes and your diet. What do you think of these tests?
Basically, so the philosophy behind them is that individual genetic variations will impact the way you metabolize food, the way you absorb nutrients. The idea here is that you're taking your own genotype and that actually it could impact some nutrition-related chronic diseases. That's the philosophy of it.
But do we know if it works? For example, let's say I find out, my body doesn't like protein or something. Does that mean if I change my diet, suddenly I'm going to have weight loss?
Right. So here's, I think the bigger picture here is the idea of genomics in general, which, by the way, is already used in a variety of different fields: immunotherapy and oncology, biologic therapy for rheumatic disease. So the concept of nutrigenomics it's innovative and it's exciting, and we know that it's going to be probably a blockbuster for the future.
The secrets of our DNA are being revealed.
I have 7 green, 8 yellow, and 3 red.
I have 7 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 yellows. 5 green. I have 4 greens. 9 greens. 2 reds.
3 reds.
4 red. I have 6 reds.
This is the future of my healthcare. This is my future of staying healthy.
Your Euphoria Wellness Action Plan is a powerful resource for understanding the results of the Euphoria DNA test. It's the foundation for creating your very own one-of-a-kind customized nutrition formula. 35 pages identifies which genetic SNPs or single nucleotide polymorphisms you possess, along with a detailed explanation of how these SNPs could potentially impact your health. While you can never change your DNA, there are some genes you can take action on by modifying your diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. Your own nutrition formula plays a key role in the action you're now able to take, and reading your genetic assessment within the Wellness Action Plan is easy. A green result signifies that you don't have that particular SNP. A yellow result means you inherited that SNP from one parent. And a red result means you inherited that SNP from both your mother and your father. In addition, contained within every explanation of each SNP is a recommendation for nutrients that can assist you in counteracting the potential effects of your SNPs. These are the ingredients that you can benefit from that are included in your personalized nutrition formula.
It connected all of the dots for me.
But now that I'm getting the raw materials that I need to address those things, I'm more excited than ever.
No more guessing, no more stressing, no more wondering, no more Googling, no more listening to every person telling me what I needed.
What we have in our hands right now is going to change the healthcare of our children and our grandchildren, and I'm grateful.
And now when people ask me why I'm taking my nutrition, I can easily say, because my body told me so.
Knowing your SNPs is the very first step to a lifetime of wellness, and your personalized nutrition paves the way. Welcome to Euphoria.
Who might be a good candidate for something like this?
Well, interestingly enough, I think most of us watching this piece would say, well, I would like to know, am I genetically predisposed to require more omega-3 or less B12? I mean, that's basically, or how I respond to caffeine, for example. That's what this battery of tests can actually give you. So in a sense, if we know that you need omega-3s to prevent heart disease, and this study and this test tells you that you need to take more, that's sort of the practical application of it. You know, there is some skepticism, of course, in the scientific community about it. But again, applaud the innovation and still encourage these studies to be done.
That's fascinating.
Natalie, thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it very much.